Welcome back everyone to my Two Left Hands channel. Today we're making Funfetti pancakes. If you do want a shout out for next week's video, go ahead and add my Two Left Hands to your story. You ready?
Ready.
Alright, so this is flour.
Flour.
Yep, flour and baking soda.
Soda.
So right now we have 2 cups and 2.5 cups of flour, and I also have 1 tablespoon of baking powder in here. So Mari's gonna help me pour it in?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. Alright, there you go. All in there, good job. Oh, this is salt. Go ahead and pour the salt in. Got a little bit of sugar. It's getting stuck at the bottom. Alright, that's good enough. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Is it cracked?
Yeah.
A little bit more. There you go. So you're gonna open it now. Open it. There you go. Good job, Mama.
It's egg. So milk. What's that?
Watch your hands. You're telling me to wash my hands with oil. You're such a good helper, Mama. Mix it. Go ahead, mix it for Auntie. There we go. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Oh, yes. Better. Better. Oh.
Whoa, sprinkles. Mix, mix, mix. Alright, so
Make the milk. Make the milk.
yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
There you go, Mama. Go ahead and add some butter to your skillet in a medium skillet. And then once that's done, go ahead and add a half a scoop of the batter into your skillet. And with this batter, it does get brown really fast. Literally in a few seconds it gets brown really fast. But take note that the inside of the batter is not cooked, of the pancake is not cooked as yet. And also the pancake tends to fluff up really fast, so that's why I'm pressing it down here, as you can see. So make sure you just keep constantly flipping it over, pressing it down, so that you can get the middle of the pancake cooked. Once that's done, go ahead and put it to the plate to the side. So this is the end product of our we call it birthday cake. Pour this over. You gonna help me? It's hot. So you put the frosting in the microwave for 30 seconds and you get this beautiful glaze. So now we're gonna put the sprinkles on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Wow.
It's popping.
It's popping. Yeah. What that girl? Dig in. Yeah. Okay, let's cut into it. Oh my god, this is a good breakfast idea for someone for the birthday. So make sure you brush your teeth, okay? There you go. It really tastes like birthday cake.
A few moments later.
How does it come? It tastes like birthday cake. Alright, you can. Thank you for joining us with making the Funfetti Pancakes. If you like this video and if you made it this far, please give us a thumbs up and tell us how we did. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. See you next time. So you're not gonna share that with me? No? But I made it. We made it together. Yes, we did.